Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now it's currently 7:30. I am on my way to work. I wanted to try to do like a little bit of a vlog style video instead of a more like professional laid back type of video. So I'm gonna be holding the camera while driving. Yes, I'm a danger to everyone on the road. So I just wanted to make this video about my weight loss. Instead of doing it traditionally, I thought I would do it a little bit of a vlog style. So this past January, I started to go on a diet. I hate that word. But it's true. And I've been actually pretty successful. I definitely consider myself to be a binge eater. By binge eater, I mean I'm the type of person who will eat an entire box of something and not just a few of something. So yeah, I had to basically do that cold turkey because I am not one to just wean off of something. If I don't stop something right away, it's just never gonna happen for me, like ever. So that's what I did. I cut out not much actually. In the beginning I did, but soon realized that was like the wrong thing to do. My boyfriend has lost a lot of weight before and he used to work out and do all this stuff, and I was just a stubborn bitch and didn't listen to what he said. And he always told me I don't have to cut out the things that I like. I don't have to cut out my carbs. I don't have to basically torture myself, is what he was trying to say. And it took me a while to understand that, but I eventually understood that. And it worked. In the beginning, cutting my carbs, obviously it worked. Because I'm not eating as much. But that was actually really the root of my problem, was eating as much as I did. I am like the worst portioner ever. When I tell you that I could, if you don't know what Jersey Mike's is, it's a sub shop basically, where they have all different kinds of subs. I am a turkey kind of girl, so that's what I would always get. And there's one that is like, I think it's like 2 feet long, and I literally can eat the entire thing by myself. All meat, all veggies, bread, everything in one sitting. I can eat it by myself. So that's kind of a problem. So that's why I just went on this journey, because that is really a big problem. And I was at my peak weight. I was, the highest I've ever been was 197, which is like horrifying to me because I am only 5'2". But then again, I feel like I didn't look that bad because it was never really about what I like looked like until now. Now that I've lost the weight, I'm like, holy crap, like I actually looked like that. It's very like scary. But anyway, I was 197 and today I am 156. So, oh geez, I have lost 41 pounds so far, and it has been half a year. So to me, that's pretty good. I don't, you know, cut out everything. I still eat junk food sometimes. I still eat chocolate. I still have juice. I still have chips. But it's all within moderation. That's really the key, is just moderation and not eating so much junk at once. So yeah, I'm just not eating as much, and it works for me. Obviously I've incorporated an like extreme amount of exercise, which is important, yes, but I feel like exercise is not for everyone, but I wanted the weight, sorry, I just totally picked my nose, ew. But I just wanted the weight to come off as fast as it could, just because I started to feel like, well, if it doesn't happen now, then I'm just gonna see no results happening quickly and I'm gonna give up, because that's the type of person I am. Plus, I have asthma and I really cannot stand using an inhaler. So I got myself up to being able to jog 2 miles. By doing that, I literally, honestly, just started building up stamina. And by that, I mean just walking long distances, starting to jog for a short amount of time, and then try to do it for a longer amount of time. When I started jogging, I was holding my inhaler in my hand. Holding it in my hand and using it while running. So if I could do it, any of you could totally do it. This video is going to be so bumpy and annoying. But yeah. So if I can build myself up to being able to jog 2 miles without using an inhaler, then I'm sure you guys can definitely do it too. But on a day-to-day basis, because I'm like working, I'm limited to the times that I can eat. So I don't really eat too much during the day, during the weekday. I try to, but I mean, I'm in the medical field, so it's kind of hard. But really, I just have basically 3 meals a day with 2 to 3 snacks. And then I exercise for like a good hour every day. And I usually take about 1 to 2 days off from exercise. But it needs to be done. I'm 156. I want to be down to my goal weight at like 130. That's where I'm trying to get. I noticed that the lower I go, the harder it is to get the weight off, which is really a big pain in the ass. Because you feel like all your effort isn't going anywhere and it's not working. So, yeah. That's where I'm at with the weight loss. I want to keep doing like these updates. I hope you guys like these like little vlog style. Later on, Gonzalo is working tonight, so dinner is going to be up to me. I am out of salad and dressing, so I'm gonna have to go to ShopRite to get that. I will take you guys along with me for that to see maybe I can get some more things. I want to try to come up with different kinds of recipes for Gonzalo and I to make, because I feel like when I first started my diet and I changed my eating habits completely and we were really cooking at home like every single day, that's when I lost like the majority of my weight. And I think it would be really good for us to try like different foods, because we kind of eat the same freaking thing every single day and it's really frustrating. So maybe I will look up some recipes and I'll share them with you guys later after I get home from ShopRite. For now, I need gas desperately, or I'm gonna be stranded on the side of the road and I'm gonna get kidnapped. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some gas and then go to work, and I will see you guys after work when we go to ShopRite. And if you don't know what ShopRite is, it's just a supermarket on the East Coast. All right guys, I will see you at ShopRite. Hate this turn. So I am an oily, greasy mess. Just got out of work. Now it is time to go to ShopRite. My little bear is at work. So I'm just gonna go to ShopRite, get my salad, have dinner, and then I am going to be, I had this idea because I was saying earlier, Jesus Christ, that I want to start eating like better dinners. So I was thinking about getting a recipe book where I can write down my own recipes, and I found a few of them that were pretty cute on Amazon. So I want to start doing that and write down like a few recipes that I find online and test them out and things like that. But this ShopRite trip is not going to be full of all that kind of good ass shopping, because I'm a broke hoe. So I'm just going to be getting salad and my dressing, and then I'll show you guys, oh god, and then I'll show you guys what I got. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to ShopRite. Alright guys, so I just pulled up to ShopRite. I will show you. You can see it. This is the world's largest ShopRite. Yeah, very big, very big. Okay, so I am at ShopRite. I'm not gonna bring you in just because there's a lot of freaking people here and I don't trust anybody to not take my camera. Nor do I trust myself to hold on to it the whole time and not leave it somewhere. So I will go get what I need, come back out, and then I will show you guys what I got. I'll see you in a few minutes. Alright guys, so I am out of ShopRite. I'm going to show you what I get. So this has been my favorite lettuce and dressing since I was a kid. Literally since I was a kid. I've eaten salad my whole life. But yeah, so this is what I always get. Okay, here we go. So it's the, doesn't matter really the brand of bagged lettuce, but I always go with the sweet butter lettuce. I get this one just because it's a lot softer and it has like, I just like the texture. I feel like it's really just a texture thing, but it's the butter lettuce and the red lettuce mixed together. This is the back. Hello, nutrition fact. And then we have the dressing. My camera's like freaking out. So I get the Ken's Italian, just the plain Italian. Here's the back if you wanted to read the back a little bit. But yeah, that's basically it. And then in the salad, I usually do cheese, mozzarella cheese, the shredded cheese, and then I go with a some form of a meat. Sometimes I'll just shred up like what do you call it? Turkey, deli meat, and put it in there. But recently I've been liking eggs in my salad, so I've been hard boiling eggs and then putting about 3 of them in there, just crushed up, not really sliced. I like it crushed. But yeah, that's like my go-to dinner with like a snack on the side, if my dad doesn't cook or something. This is usually what I eat. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this vlog style weight loss update thing that I did. I am just about clocked out for the day. I'm exhausted. I worked all day. It's like 5 o'clock now. I want to just go home, eat, and then try to figure out some recipes that I can put in my recipe book. So I want to do that. I'll get that done, and then I need to figure out more videos that I want to do for you guys. So I'm gonna figure that out as well. I hope you guys enjoyed part 2 to my life update. More videos are coming soon. Yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.